All right, this will be my last video for the day. Thank you so much for joining me on all the reviews today. This is number 5, literally 5 videos in one day. So this is Teable, build an AI native system for projects, CRMs, marketing. This one I've already dove into because I knew it was going to be kind of complex. And I feel like the reviews are getting a little bit better when I spend 30 minutes in the app. To be honest with you, it honestly takes just as long to just push record and go check out the software for the first time. Now, I still will do those sometimes, but I do think that the reviews and the information and the feeling I get about the tool is just a lot better when I've already checked out the tool. So I'm going to try to do that as much as I can. I think you guys appreciate that as well. So this is Teable. It's the owner makes a video right here, and that's how they pronounce it. So we'll come down here and just look at the pricing. $59 for tier 1. It's recommended for license tier 2 at $299. License tier 2 is $159. License tier 4 all in is $499. This is how many seats you get right there. Credits per month up to 6,000 right there, 500 on tier 1. And then it's not till tier 3 that you get to unlock Authority Matrix and SSO. And then we'll come down here and there's a really nice review. This person has bought 322 deals on AppSumo. It'd probably be fair to say that it is a unsolicited review, a real honest review, and they just absolutely love the software. So we're going to jump right in. Here is the page, and they've already got 40,000 visitors. I almost forgot the founder, April 2023 founded, United States. Over 10 employees, startup seed phase. So we're going to go through and I'm just going to jump right in. It's actually coding for me right here. And this built something very impressive for me. So I went in here to my Warrior Plus account and got some stats, right? Like last year, I made $36,000 last year in 2025. And I'll tell you all the different stats and all these products that we sold and everything. So I wanted to create a dashboard. And what Teable is really good at is it can code apps for you. So it's very much vibe coding, specializes in creating and hosting the database, which is very important, right? You can't vibe code an app and get users to it without having a database. This is something that the large language models like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT cannot do. They don't have native database management. That's why you could see everybody making all these tutorials on how to build apps, but then there's no actual deployment from that, right? You're still going to have to build the front end, the back end, the whole enchilada. That's why like these all-in-ones like Base 44, Fluke, other tools come into play because they take care of this learning curve of learning about databases and so forth, right? So that is the big separator between Teable and just going into Claude Code or Gemini or something like that, is that this is going to create, manage, and host the entire database. So think in database, think in spreadsheets. Information is what actually drives sales, lead gen, users, and storing all their information and storing it for apps, right? So it's very much a database management tool. Now, I went and fed this information, right? We have these 2 different databases, one for my affiliate commissions for 2025, one for 2024. I went into the dashboard and just copy and pasted all that information and ran a report. I went up here all the way to the top and I pasted all this information in here. So it's a lot of information. Now, what you're probably going to do if you're running a business and you're going to use this tool, you're going to already have spreadsheets that you want it to analyze. So that'll be really cool. But you could impress your boss with this tool if you already have spreadsheets and then you're giving a presentation or something like that, and you can make an interactive dashboard or something. It'll be nice to send this over to management team. So I said, hey, create an interactive dashboard going over these stats at a high level and granular level. I'll create a tab for opportunities, which will spot products and patterns, insights, including a year-over-year comparison and a chart that shows last 12 months, affiliate commissions, average conversion, total sales. Also show this info so we can see how well we're doing for the past 12 months versus the previous 12 months. So it built it, and then I noticed that the sales were off. It wasn't quite as high as I would have liked. There's what it came up with, but then let's see if it fixed it. So we'll go over here and we'll look at the full screen. So still at 36,000. I don't know. We probably need to transfer this into a totals reflect a full account of 36,000 and 13,000 from 2024. Okay, listed products right over here. Okay, sounds good. This is the only thing that was interesting about it. It's 50,000 total between the 2 years. For whatever reason, it's not displaying that. It should literally be like this plus this. So that's what the total revenue should show. Nonetheless, we'll still take a look at what it came up with because this is really cool. So it gives you your total sales. When you hover over this, it pops out. The colors are nice. Average conversion of 22%, which is absolutely nuts. It was 13% in 2024, so up 69% 99%. Look at these nice stats that someone could see. If you were an inventory manager and you're looking at inventory and shrinkage and loss, you could create all kinds of different things. Total sales right over here. Everything was up. We had a really nice year in 2025. You can see all these charts. Ebook Writer AI made a huge amount of money, $17,000, 48% of the revenue. Nice pie chart breaking this down to all of the different things that I've sold over the last couple of years, top revenue generators. And I'm sharing this information. This is real data as well, but I think that this is really cool because it shows a real world use for the tool where I can actually go and analyze, hey, my Wire Plus, my JVZoo, maybe I would merge these in together as well. You can create these dashboards that mean something to you, help you make business decisions. Is this worth your while? Are you making money doing this? Should you continue doing it? All kinds of stuff, right? Highest conversion rates, like they're getting a lot of traffic, but maybe not. If I look over here, nothing really stands out that I'm sending traffic to. They had massive conversion rates, which is amazing. Your highest money made per traffic or click right over here. Some of these do stand out, like this one right over here. That's actually an affiliate marketing product. It made a lot of money for per click. Key metrics right over here. You can see the blue purple color is the 25. So you can see we are up in every single category for 2025. All those key metrics. They're just by a landslide. One of these just completely popped off, and it was an amazing product by Chris Derenberger. Got to hand it to him. You can see these other ones. Both of these there are all the Ohanashi and Nuri Creator. Those were Ike Pause softwares, and he does have a really big software coming out tomorrow. So I'll be leading off the day with a brand new review of his brand new Amazon KDP software. I will be putting it on this channel because it is a heavy hitter. Two of my big winning softwares are from Ike Pause, and he is a good product creator. You can go down the dashboard. So that's the dashboard. But then what else do we have? We have products over here. So you can look by products. You can see, look how colorful this is. You can look at all these products right over here. So it's using a database right here. You look at all the vendor information right there, because then now we can go in here and we go sort by revenue. We can sort by conversion. This is amazing. So total sales, ebook writer 730 sales, which is just absolutely bonkers, right? And then we go to vendors right over here. Obviously, Chris Derenberger, I've made almost $20,000 selling his products. Ike Pause is my second vendor, and he's coming out with a product. So this gives me data on if I want to promote another. I know you guys are leery of what vendors I would promote and so forth from JVZoo and Wire Plus. I really do try to keep it as tight as possible and only promote vendors that I like and that I value their products and I have some trust behind it. This is going to give you your top performance overall, like my top vendors when they come out with a product. Maybe that's who I go with, maybe that's who I promote and so forth right there. And then we can come down here, vendor share. It kind of did this little box chart. I don't think I've ever seen charts quite like that, but you can just see that is a really cool little pie chart right there. Reverse pie charts of just boxes and squares. You can see in 2024, it was all about Ike Pause and Dave Espino and James Renoff and then Chris Derenberger. But in 2025, boom, you can see Ike Pause has definitely been in my top 3 over those last 2 years. Amazing information for you to have at hand year over year. We had 177% growth, the 177% revenue growth from 2025 versus 2024. Your sales growth was up 87%. Your conversion lift was plus 9%. Your hop improvement was also up 159%. You can see a 12-month average affiliate commissions. Come over here. The one down here this is a really nice, just look how beautiful the chart is right here as well. Now, what you're looking at is like in March of 2025, I made almost $3,000 versus 2024, I only made $1,000, right? So at no point during the year in 2024 did I make as much as I did in 2025. Look, 2025, we just crushed it every single month. We grew, our business grew from there. So that was great. Monthly sales volume also 2025 was way better than 2023. This is what you want to see from a business standpoint, right? Maybe I can make another one and do this for JVZoo, right? And then maybe make a combined dashboard with both stats that would really cover, but really having both of them separated out because they're both just totally different. You know, it's the make money online niche is in Wire Plus mostly, except for Chris Derenberger. He sold his softwares on Wire Plus versus JVZoo. Maybe that would be a kind of a cool idea to put everything all under one roof and kind of treat both of them as the same business. Your conversion rates were up as well. And then you have your products in both years right over here. Nuri Creator launched in 2024, but it crossed over to 2025 right there as well. And so you can see right there. And then you have this hexa diagram, full metric radar right over here. You can also see that as well. And then finally, I told it to create something called opportunities. I'm just showing you how impressive and amazing and magnificent this product created this my first time using it. This is the best interactive dashboard that I've literally have seen. Even Claude Code, they're probably using Claude Code to do this, but they're doing some proprietary things to make this even better because you have all the data live to play with. You don't have to copy and paste anymore. It's already there. Executive summary, your revenue was up right there. Sales nearly doubled. Conversion rate jumped and your hops jumped. Heavy product concentration right there. Top vendor risk right over here. So that basically means that if he stops creating products or ends his product, then my sales would go down, right? 37 new products, driving gross nine high conversion products. It's telling you that these conversion products, if I started sending traffic to them, could add another $20,000 in my pocket. Scale up, high conversion right over here. So it's telling you what your opportunities are on these products to try to go and promote them. Some of them older products. J.K. Dowdle, he'll be coming out with RIMS 9 or 10 or whatever. So it just tells me that the next signal, I need to really push that product, right, from that vendor. Best ROI right over here. Boom. If it's an evergreen software, then I should probably do more videos on that, right? High ticket. I've had to move over to another screen recorder. Script is acting up. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to be on camera, but you can see that it created these. And what you would do is, let's say we wanted to create another one. I'm going to go like this. What you can do, add it right here by typing what you want. Over here, you would push plus, click upload, whatever workflow that you like. Right over here, we would click in here, kind of like it's a spreadsheet. Or you can go up here. It reminds me a little bit of Notion as well. We can go over here to add record, and we can just say, hey, I made 100 viral shorts in 10 minutes, something like that, right? So I'm going to go like that, copy. We can go with the face. So you would go and upload your face right over here. I'm going to go over here and just go to profile pics, and we'll just go grab one. Boom. Okay. We'll go like that. You could also go and grab another, like an object, let's just say for fun. I'm going to go to pictures. And I'm just going to grab this Statue of Liberty just for fun. It's probably not going to make something great because I'm just trying to test this out for fun. Last time I used business and finance. So let's just go with tech reviews for fun. Actually, it's not a tech review, but let's go with how-to education. Then we'll go with core emotion, and let's just go with a shock look. And then let's go with upload thumbnail. So these parts right here, you can upload something that you want it to look like. We could just create. But you can come over here. So we'll go to downloads, and then I'll grab the reference right here. So push upload. So obviously you could have multiple references. And if you have a 9x16 reference, you would do that as well. And then that's pretty much all you would put. So I'm going to say create right there. And now it's going to go and it's going to use those right there. And it's going to use the title that we just had. And it's going to go and try to create an image like this, a shocked look, and it's going to process. So you can see right over here, it's processing those right now. We'll come back to that in just a minute. But I'm going to come back over to here, exit our dashboard right there. And what is the download? HTML or image PNG. That's really cool. So obviously that HTML, then you could go and host that on a website. Super, super cool. So it's basically practically built as an app or a website for us. But what we can do is we can come back over here. So that's kind of like the Warrior Plus affiliate dashboard that we just created, which is super cool. We can create a new database over here. And then right over here as well, look at all these different templates that they have right over here. The one that we were looking at is the YouTube and TikTok thumbnail generator. So you can just click on that and it will open up. You can see like what it looks like right there. Let's just say you had a task tracking app right over here. You could click that. You could go and take a look at what this looks like right over here. We can push preview. It's going to open up and show you what this task management app would look like right over here. We can click the use button and go over here. I mean, these are impressive dashboards, I must say. Okay. So they have all these templates that you can use, or you can just tell it exactly what you want it to do. You could come in here and you could go right here, and they have their templates right over here. You have your settings right here, plan AI settings over here that you can go through. Your chat model. You can actually select what chat model you want to use. It's on a default right now, but let's just say we want to use a Claude Sonnet 4.6, enable custom model right there. Boom. And then you can go over. Okay. So yeah, that's what you're going to do next is you're just going to create a base, right? So you'll open up that base. And then once you open something up, you can tell it what you want it to do. So you type in here, I want you to do this. I want you to do that. So like create a simple lead capture page that is giving away my top 10 AI tools that make me money every single month. And then I'm just going to go boom. And then it's going to start thinking. It's going to query the tables. It's going to build the database for us. And then it's going to open up where you're going to get all the work done right over here. So you're going to come through right over here, and it's going to start building right over here. Let me build the lead capture page. Let's go back over here and take a look at where we're at. Did it create our thumbnail for us yet? It's still working on that. We'll be right back. Okay, perfect. It just created some thumbnails for us. So let's go take a look at those right there. It's going to open up. There's the shocked look right there. 100 viral shorts in 10 minutes. It's pretty dang cool right over there. And then let's go take a look at the other one. So 10 viral shorts in 10 minutes right there, or 100 viral shorts in 10 minutes. A really nice looking thumbnail. We didn't give it any other instructions and it just created that for us. So really cool. And then it also creates these for you as well, which are the 9x16s. Look really good right here. And that's really cool right there. And you can see that it is bringing in that other object in the back, which is super cool. So this is something that I could definitely use. I think I want to fool around with it even more. You can upload a CSV file as well, but you could certainly use this as a workflow, right, for your assistants that are going to create thumbnails for you. Really cool stuff. Let's go back over here and take a look. It's still building our lead capture page. Next steps, you might want to connect an email to it, view the progress. Okay, let's just go and view that for now and see what it's got for us so far. But you're going to want to hook up a email to it, so when people fill it out, that it, they're actually going to get emailed. But this is going to be the lead capture page is going to create for us right here. Here's our lead capture page. Let's go over here and can I look at this in full screen preview? And you can see here's all the code right there. So really cool. A preview, boom. And then you can go and publish. Let's just go publish this. So there's also a publish button. And so this is what it looks like. Over 4,200 marketers already have this list. Get my top 10 AI tools that make me money every single month and so forth. So now it's actually live. So there's your app right there. Boom. Here is our lead capture page. I'm giving away my exact toolkit right here. And then you've got right here, revenue AI. That's cool. And the exact tools David uses to generate income every month. Income includes free and paid option that takes less than 10 minutes to set up each tool. So you put in your name and your email, and then you would send the list. So it just built that for us in like 5 minutes. There's just so much you can do with this app. This is one of the most impressive tools that I have seen. Absolutely loved this tool. This is a 5-star immediately. Very impressed with this, a very powerful tool that was easy to use. It was easy enough to use that I didn't have to watch a training tutorial or video or anything like that. I love that it manages the databases and creates and vibe codes and merges the two. It basically gets you almost all the way there, if not all the way there, right? You could technically deploy this by going and getting hosting. I don't believe that they have host. I didn't see that part in there where you can add a domain and host it in there. Might be in there, but I didn't see that. But overall, this is super impressive. I'm going to use this to create dashboards like I showed you about the Warrior Plus sales and stuff like that and do it for different parts of my business, and then maybe create an entire dashboard for everything so that I can really look at the numbers. So what did you guys think? The link will be below. I highly recommend this one. This is Teable, and it gets my top recommendation. Out of the 5 tools that I reviewed today, this one was the most impressive. So thanks for joining me. If you made it this far in the video, write Teable in below. Go pick this up. Link will be below. Help support the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.